Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste. Today I am going to teach you about English grammar. First of all, before I teach you grammar, the question arises that what is English? English is a language. Did you know about linguistic? Linguistic is a platform that has combination of many languages, study of languages. So, first of all, we have to know that why should we learn English grammar? Why should we learn English language? Because of English is an international language that is spoken all over the world. There's many languages in the world. I think more than 6,500 languages are spoken in the world. But English is a platform that we can communicate all over the globe. If we define the grammar, we can say grammar is the base of language, or we can say grammar is the structure and function system of any language. So there are 26 letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. In these letters, we found 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And 21 is consonant. These are vowels that given the quality of sound all words of English language. What is alphabet? Alphabet, a set of complete letters of any language. Letters are symbol sound of language. Letters, we can say कि लेटर्स क्या है? लेटर्स हैं जो किसी भी ज़बान को आवाज़ देते हैं. हमें कोई ना कोई तो मीडियम चाहिए होगा इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए. तो इंग्लिश चाहे कोई सी भी लैंग्वेज हो, उसके लिए मीडियम चाहिए होगा हमें. तो मीडियम, सबसे बेसिक मीडियम है लेटर्स, वर्ड्स जो होते हैं. फॉर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज we need 2 ways. One is vocab and second one is grammar. Vocabulary means the knowledge of words you have, the study about words, because sentences needs words and words that came from vocab. So you have to first of all strong vocab. Vocab means I am saying that water, drink. Water, drink. You said that it was not proper. So grammar will be help. Grammar will make structure about this sentence that I drink water. ग्रामर की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ती है? क्योंकि हमें इंग्लिश के सही से तरतीब में सेंटेंसेस आनी चाहिए, इसलिए हम ग्रामर की हमने ज़रूरत पड़ती है.